Vahid car lighting was established in 2012, headquartered in Guangzhou, China. We specializes in automotive lighting upgrade products, integrating research, sales, and modification. Its products cover on development, production, variety of lighting solutions, aiming to enhance vehicle lighting performance and driving safety. As an international enterprise, our product export rate is as high as 99%, and they are sold all over the world. We focus on advancing the excellence in the automotive lighting industry, dedicated to providing compelling upgrades and decorative products for automotive lighting through outstanding design and manufacturing processes. We ensure that these products exhibit unique performance and stylish aesthetics in various vehicle models. Our range includes automotive LED lenses, HID lenses, fog lights, Angel Eve series, Devil Eye series, daytime running lights, headlight covers, as well as professional tools and accessories for automotive modification and upgrades. With exquisite technology and advanced manufacturing processes, we are committed to delivering high-performance, durable, and stylish automotive lighting solutions for our customers. In addition to offering standard products, we are dedicated to meeting the personalized needs of our customers. Vahid car lighting not only provides OEM and ODM services, but also, based on our proprietary brand, offers professional custom production services. Recognizing the diversity of the market, we engage in flexible collaborations to meet the unique requirements of different markets and customers. The company currently has a professional R&D team, efficient production team, attentive after-sales team, and a team with advanced retrofitting technology. With a 4,000 square meter self-owned production workshop equipped with advanced production equipment and a strict quality control system, we ensure that we can complete customer orders on time, in the right quantity, and with excellent quality. This has made Vahid a leading enterprise in the automotive lighting industry. Vahid car lighting will continue to strengthen its research and development capabilities, consistently leading the development of the automotive lighting. We are committed to becoming a globally trusted partner industry for customers, providing innovative, high-quality automotive lighting products and services, and jointly creating a bright future.